The chair now recognizes Dr. Grossman for 5 minutes for your opening statement.
Sex is not assigned at birth. Sex is established at conception, and it's recognized at birth, if not earlier.
Minors with gender dysphoria.
Kids know their genders, and transgender kids know their genders.
Making irreversible medical decisions that they may regret later.
Once I hit 14, I kind of hit the point of like, no, I'm definitely not a female.
This is a medical scandal. We are not doing a favor to these kids by affirming them. If she is put onto that medical assembly line and she's given puberty blockers followed by testosterone and possibly surgery, she is on her way to being a lifelong patient, a lifelong consumer of drugs, of pharmaceuticals. And that one child represents a profit of about $1 million to the drug companies.
Can we talk about the double mastectomies, the castrations, the creation of these kind of sex holes, and you hear some of this stuff and it's just really hard to know that that might be happening to these young children. What is this assembly line? And what are some of those things that are actually happening to these young kids?
They take the tissue from the penis and the scrotum in order to construct that structure. But in these kids, these boys whose puberties have been blocked at an early time, they don't have enough tissue to make that so-called vagina. They have to borrow tissue from some other place in the body. Let the kids grow up. Give them psychotherapy. Give them support. Give the family support. That is the way that we treat emotional disorders. We are talking about an emotional disorder.